they all like, dude, they were going in like a swirly line. They were all, look at those helicopters, they're all going. They're like, look, watch. Dude, look, government.
Yeah, they're about to make a mistake.
Government helicopters.
She's gonna go be nosy. Yep.
There's still one more. There's still one more. There's still one more. He's like, he doesn't give a fuck. He's like, I'm right here. Send your fucking helicopters, G. Look at that. That is, what is that? You hardly, what is that? I know, but that's like, it's like a special ops fucking destroyer. Like, what is the military sending in, the military sending in their fucking
We're through his like
army shit. Dude, what if we just see a helicopter explode right now? Boom.
Alright, here we go. Helicopter's heading over there.
All we know is that orb of energy is still there, bro. It's still chilling.
Oh, he's like on it.
Look, he's turning. They're turning, bro. They're circling it.
Oh,
Bro, they're circling it. Dude, no fucking way. Look at them moving. They're circling it, bro. It's going right by it. You see that shit?
yeah. I think I only see two now.
How's your water?
Dude, that one right there is like a gangster. Like he's like